big old hoopty ass Cadillac. If you guys are interested, it's for sale. $5,500. It's located in Minnesota, so I doubt we're gonna like ship it or anything like that. Obviously, it's a two-door convertible. Got a couple problems with it. There's a couple spots rust started. Top is a little bit ripped up right here. Runs and drives. The valve cover gaskets are leaking a little bit, and the accelerator pump. I noticed if you let it sit for a couple days, it's hard to start, so you got to put a little bit of gas in it to, you know, get it to fire up and go or whatever. It's a 1966. If you guys are interested, $5,500. There's my phone number, or you can call the shop. But yes, it runs and drives. The other thing I do hear is I hear the power steering pump whining a little bit when you're driving it around. There's some dash cracks and, you know, your typical old age car stuff. Like I said, this window, I think I said that, this window here doesn't want to roll down for some reason, so the button, oh, now it does. What the hell? I just tried it. Maybe I didn't push it hard enough. All right, well, that was a lie, I guess. But it, you know, it's a badass old cruiser. I mean, it drives nice. It's, you know, it drives like a Cadillac, they say, you know, because of the suspension and everything. It's a big old hoopty. Goes down the road nice. Brakes and lights and all that crap work. It's a fun car to drive, though. Yeah, it's a fun old car to drive around, you know. And, you know, we're not dead set on $5,500. I mean, obviously, make an offer if you guys are interested. I'm gonna go take this thing for a drive, cruise around, check everything. The blinkers and stuff are working, lights are working, all that. Beautiful day out. Figure I'd take the convertible out and cruise around. Thanks for watching.